Okay, in this problem, we're asked to find the area of the region R bounded by the graph of f of x equals 14 minus absolute value of x, and the x-axis on the interval negative 14 to 28. Graph and show the region R. So I went ahead and started this graph here. This is an upside down absolute value, so it looks like a V. It's been shifted up by 14, and that's the reason it reaches its peak here. It's got a slope of 1, because there's no number in front of the x. So it goes down on this side as you go this direction. One down, one over, and one down, one over this side. So it crosses the x-axis at negative 14 and at positive 14. Okay. Also notice that we're going out to 28, which is here. Okay, so the region that we're looking for, the area of this region here and this here. Okay, so before we start this problem, clarify something that sometimes gets confused. The difference between a problem asking you to find the area of a region and when you're just giving the integral of a region from say negative 14 to 28, there is a difference. If you're finding the integral, this positive area up here and this negative area up here they will cancel each other out, not completely, but partially. All right, but when you're just asked to find the area, well, there's no negative areas, no such thing as negative areas. So we're going to add all these areas up positively. Even though this is below the x-axis, it's still going to be positive area. But if you were asked to find the integral, then this would count as negative. Okay, so what we have here is two triangles. So the first triangle goes from negative 14 to 14. That's 28 long, 14 high. So area, call it area 1, equals 1/2 times base times height. Base is 28, height is 14. Multiply that through, it's going to be 14 times 14, or 196. Second triangle, call it A2, equals 1/2 times, okay, here's your second triangle. It's 14 long, and how far does this go down? Well, the slope is 1, so as it's going over 1, it's also going down 1. So if this is 14, then it's also 14 down to here. Okay, so it'll be 14 and 14 for the base and the height. So you multiply that 7 times 14, you'll get 98. Okay, to find the total region, we'll just call that A. 196 plus 98 equals 294.